Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe. Welcome to the 8th standard science lesson number 11, air. Let's start with the continuation of the lesson number 11, air. In last session, I explained about the lesson air, what is oxygen and occurrence of oxygen, what are those physical properties, chemical properties and the uses of oxygen, and it also nitrogen, occurrence of nitrogen, physical properties, chemical properties and the uses of nitrogen, and also the nitrogen fixation. Today we are going to learn about carbon dioxide and occurrence of carbon dioxide and its physical properties, chemical properties and the uses and greenhouse effect, global warming and acid rain. Okay, this is we are going to study today. Let's take a book. 11.3 carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? The carbon dioxide is a chemical compound. The molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. It consists of one carbon atom and two oxygen atom, that is CO2. One carbon, O2. Two oxygen atom can combine to form the carbon dioxide. It is essential for plant and animals growth. Okay. Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound in which one carbon and two oxygen atoms are bounded together. It is a gas at room temperature. The carbon dioxide acts as a gas in the room temperature. It is represented by the formula CO2, one carbon and two oxygen. It is found in the Earth atmosphere and it sends back the solar energy which is reflected by the surface of the earth to make it possible for living organisms to survive. The CO2 is in the form of gaseous in a room temperature. It's found in the earth atmosphere. It's sent back to the solar energy which is reflected by the surface, and it's essentially for plant and animals growth. When carbon dioxide accumulates more in atmosphere, it produces harmful effect. Then occurrence of carbon dioxide. What is the occurrence of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is present in air to the extent of about 0.03% by volume. In a carbon dioxide present in the air of 0.03% by volume, it is soluble in water. It's present in the earth atmosphere and it also present in the groundwater, lakes, ponds and seawater also. Then the carbon dioxide is present in the deposits of petroleum and natural gases, and the carbon dioxide is also sharp and acidic odor. It generates the taste of soda water in your mouth. Okay. It is evolved by the plants and animals during respiration and it's produced during fermentation reactions. In a plants breathe the carbon dioxide and breathe out the oxygen. Okay, and animals plant it used for carbon dioxide for respiration and it also useful for fermentation. Much of the naturally occurring CO2 is emitted from the magma through volcanoes. CO2 may also originate from the biodegradation of oil and gases. The carbon dioxide is also get from the biodegradable of oil and gases. Carbon dioxide emitted by human upset the natural balance of carbon cycle. Man-made CO2 is the atmosphere has increased global temperature which is warming the plant. The man-made CO2, its atmosphere, it increase the temperature of the atmosphere and it's warming the plant. While CO2 derived from the fossil fuel is very small component of the global carbon cycle, the extra CO2 is cumulative because the natural carbon exchange cannot absorb all the additional CO2. The natural carbon cannot absorb all the carbon dioxide. It is soluble in water. It is present in the groundwater, sea water, lakes, ponds, etc. Okay. Then it is sharp and acidic odor. It generates the taste of soda water. What are the physical properties of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. It is heavier than air because the mass of the carbon dioxide is much higher than the mass of the air. Okay. Then it does not support combustion. What is combustion? The combustion is nothing but the burning of wood or fuel. It uses the energy of oxygen, but in the carbon dioxide it's not support the combustion. Then it is fairly soluble in water. It turns blue lead mesh into red, slightly red. So it is acidic in nature. It can easily liquefied under high pressure and can be solidified. It is easily liquefied under high pressure and can be solidified. The solid form of CO2 is called dry ice, which undergoes sublimation. What is sublimation? The process of solid directly go to gaseous state without attain the liquid state is called sublimation. For example, இப்போ நம்ம கோவிலுக்கெல்லாம் போகும்போது கற்பூரம் ஏற்றுவோம். கற்பூரம் இஸ் அ சாலிட் பார்ட்டிக்கல். அந்த கற்பூரத்தை ஏற்றும் பொழுது அது லிக்விடாக மெல்ட் ஆகாமல் டைரெக்டாக என்னவாகுது, கேசியஸ் ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு போகுது. அந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு பேர் தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம், சப்ளிமேஷன். த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் சாலிட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் டைரக்ட்லி கோஸ் டு gaseous state without attaining the liquid state is called sublimation. The process of conversion of solid into vapor without reaching the liquid state is called sublimation. These are all the physical properties of carbon dioxide. And what is the chemical properties of carbon dioxide? The first one, combustibility. The carbon dioxide is not support for the combustibility. Then reaction with metal. The lighter metals like sodium, potassium, calcium combine with the carbon dioxide to form the corresponding carbonates from the magnesium. It gives oxide and carbon. For example, 4Na plus 3CO2 gives 2Na2CO3 plus C. Here Na is the molecular formula of sodium, CO2 is the carbon dioxide. 4 sodium and 3 carbon dioxide can combine to form the sodium carbonate. What is the molecular formula of sodium carbonate? 2Na2CO3. Then it gives carbon also. Then magnesium, 2Mg plus CO2, 2 magnesium plus 1 carbon dioxide can combine to form the magnesium oxide, that is 2MgOC. Then reaction with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is neutralized by carbon dioxide to form the sodium bicarbonate and water. The sodium hydroxide is neutralized by the carbon dioxide and it produces the sodium bicarbonate and water. Then NaOH, it is the molecular formula of sodium hydroxide. It combines to the carbon dioxide and it produces the sodium bicarbonate. What is the molecular formula of sodium bicarbonate? NaHCl. CO3 NaH இங்க ஒரு C இங்க O2 இருக்கு இந்த O சேர்த்துக்கிறோம் NaHCO3 plus and it also produced water H2O. It is the molecular formula of water. It 2 hydrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom can combine to form the water molecules. Then reaction with lime water. When a limited amount of carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water, it turns into milky. Okay. Then due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate, CaOH2 plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O, calcium carbonate plus water. When we excess amount of carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water, it first turns milky and the milkiness disappears due to the formation of soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, then we can pass only the limited amount of carbon dioxide to the lime water, it turns into milky. Then there is one, do you know, Venus atmosphere consists of roughly 96 to 97% carbon dioxide. Because of the amount of carbon dioxide present, the surface of Venus continuously retain the heat. As such, the surface temperature of Venus is roughly 462 degrees Celsius, making the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Okay, what is the uses of carbon dioxide? CO2 is used to prepare soft drinks or erector drinks. We already know the carbon dioxide is easily soluble in water. It's present in the sea water, groundwater, lake water, etc. Then it is sharp and acidic odor because it's prepare the soft drinks or erector drinks. It's used in fire extinguisher. It is used in the manufacturing of sodium carbonate by solvent process. Solid carbon dioxide called as dry ice. It's used as the refrigerator. The refrigerant. The carbon dioxide is in the gaseous form in a room temperature. At in the high pressure, the carbon dioxide can be solidified. The solid carbon dioxide is what is dry ice. The gas is so cold that moisture in the air condense on it, creating a dense fog which is used in stage shows, the movie effects. It is used along with ammonia in the manufacture of fertilizers like urea. The carbon dioxide is used in the fertilizer of making the fertilizers like urea. It is combined with the ammonia. CO2 can be used in the preservation of food grains, fruits, etc. Okay, CO2, carbon dioxide, can be used in the preservation of food grains and fruits, etc. Do you know? Erected water is nothing but carbon dioxide dissolved in water under the pressure. This is also called soda water because the carbon dioxide is sharp and acidic odor. It generates the taste of soda water on the mouth. Then greenhouse effect and global warming. What is greenhouse effect? It is the natural process. The greenhouse effect is the natural process occur on the earth atmosphere. The sun's energy reaches the earth atmosphere. Some of it's reflected back to the space and some of them are absorbed and re-radiated by the greenhouse gases. Okay, what is greenhouse effect? It is a natural process occur on the earth atmosphere. The sun's energy reaches the earth. Some of them are reflected back to the space. Some of them are absorbed and re-radiated in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases. சன்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய எனர்ஜி எர்த் அட்மாஸ்பியரை ரீச் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அதில் some of the energies are reflected back to the space. அங்கேருந்து வந்ததில் கொஞ்சம் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகி திரும்ப எங்கே போகுது, ஸ்பேஸுக்கு போகுது. and the rest of them are absorbed and re-radiated by the greenhouse gases. The solar radiation is absorbed by the surface of land and ozone. The solar radiation, the energy of sun, it is absorbed by the surface of land and ozone. It turn they release infrared radiation or heat into the atmosphere. If can absorb the solar's energy, they release infrared radiation or heat into the atmosphere. Certain gases molecule present in the atmosphere absorb the infrared rays and radiate the heat in all direction. It absorbs the infrared radiation and it radiates the heat in the all direction in the atmosphere. This is the picture of greenhouse effect. The suns produce the energy. The energy reaches the earth. Some of them are reflected back to the space. This is the reflected back to the space because the arrow mark is upward, and some of them are absorbed. The downward arrow is absorbed by the earth atmosphere. It is re-radiated by the surface, the uses of greenhouse gases. Then hence the gases maintain the temperature of the earth's surface. The greenhouse gases maintain the temperature of the earth's surface. The gas which absorb these radiations are called greenhouse gases. என்னென்ன கேஸஸ்லாம் அந்த சன்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய எனர்ஜியை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்குதோ அதெல்லாம் greenhouse gases. மற்றதெல்லாம் என்ன சொன்னோம், ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகி இட்ஸ் பேக் டு த ஸ்பேஸ், திரும்ப ஸ்பேஸுக்கு போயிடுது. ஆனால் இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய எர்த் அட்மாஸ்பியரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கேஸஸ் என்னென்ன கேஸஸ்லாம் அந்த சன்னோட எனர்ஜியை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்கிச்சோ அந்த கேஸ் எல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், க்ரீன் ஹவுஸ் கேஸஸ். அண்ட் இட்ஸ் எஃபெக்ட் இஸ் கால்டு, இந்த எஃபெக்ட்டுக்கு பேர் க்ரீன் ஹவுஸ் எஃபெக்ட். The gas which absorb those radiations are called greenhouse gases, and this effect is called greenhouse effect. The greenhouse gases are CO2 carbon dioxide, N2O nitrous oxide, CH4 methane, CFC chlorofluorocarbon. CO2 என்ன, carbon dioxide, N2O nitrous oxide, CH4 methane, CFC chlorofluorocarbon. These are all the greenhouse gases. This increase the level of these gases result in the gradual increase of temperature on the earth's surface. These gases increase the level of gases. It's also increase the temperature of the earth atmosphere. These greenhouse effect is caused to increase in the air pollutants, and it result in the average increase of temperature on the earth atmosphere. It increase the air pollution. It also increase the atmospheric temperature. This is called the global warming. Then the effect of global warming. The following effects are the global warming. What are those effects? Melting of ice cap, then increase in frequency of flood, soil erosion and unseasonal rains. Loss of biodiversity due to extinction of coral reefs and other key species. Spreading of waterborne and inborne diseases. The global warming is also produce some harmful diseases. Then the prevention measures. What are the prevention measures? In order to save the earth and its resource, we need to take certain measures. Some of the measures are reducing the use of fossil gas, controlling the deforestation, restricting the use of CFC, planting more trees. Planting more trees is the best method to preventing the global warming. Then reducing, reusing and recycling resources. This is the 3R principle. What are those 3 R's? Reducing, reusing, recycling. Then using renewable energy sources. What is renewable energy sources? The energy that can be get after we get the energy, this is called renewable energy. The energy is, it's not stop. The solar energy is the renewable energy. Then acid rain. The rainwater is actually in the pure form, but in the pollutants such as oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the air released by the factories, burning fossil fuels, eruption of volcanoes, etc., dissolved in rainwater and form the nitric acid and sulfuric acid when adds to the acidity of the rainwater. Hence it results in a acid rain. The rainwater is actually in the purest form, but some of the pollutants and factories releases the gases, right? Nitrogen, sulfur in the air released and burning of fuels, volcanoes, eruption of volcanoes, these are all dissolved in rainwater and it forms nitric acid. It causes the acid rain. Then what are the effects of acid rain? Before move on to acid rain, you can see the do you know box. Acid rain has pH less than 5.6, whereas pH of pure rainwater is observed 5.6 due to dissolution of atmosphere carbon dioxide in it. This is acid rain. Effects of acid rain. Acid rain affects us in many ways. Some of the effects are given below. What are those effects? It irritates eyes and skin of the human body. It inhibits germination of growth and seedling. It changes the fertility of the soil, destroy the plant and aquatic life. What is aquatic life? It is in a water habitat. It causes corrosion of many buildings and bridges, etc. What are the preventive measures? Acid rain and its effects can be controlled by the following ways. What are those ways? Minimizing the usage of fuels such as petrol, diesel, etc. Using CNG. The CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Using non-conventional source of energy. Then proper disposal of the industrial waste. These are all the prevention of the acid rain. Okay, now we have finished the lesson number 11 here. The one word answers and question answers will be sent through voice snappers, PDF. Your homework is read the lesson fully. Lesson number 11 here. Try to mark the one word answers. We will meet our next session. Thank you, students.